Alright, let me see what's going on here. Alright. Oh, do I even have a pencil here? I painted that on like a year and a half ago. This used to be on a boat. Alright, let's see if this makes some sense here. Yeah, right in there somewhere. Oh, alright, this is either going to go really well or really not well. Huh, that's looking pretty good. Oh, don't snap the tap, don't snap the tap, don't snap the tap, 'cause if I do, I'll never get it out of there. I guess I should put 2 of these in. I don't want to wait till one fails to put the second one in, because then I'll have to do a reparo job over here. Alright, now can I get this thing back off? Oh. Man, now there's a big piece of the puzzle done. Aha! Water will go right out of there now. Last thing to get this thing operational is getting this motor turning. And, alright, I've got all this pile of speed controller and junk. And I was looking through the stuff and I found the joystick throttle thing that came with it. When I do get the thing out of the door, I'm going to have to figure out how to drive it down this little cliff here. This is going to go in here, and that's where my electronics are going to go, I think. Alright, how much of this stuff do I not care about? Alright, I can definitely take that out. Let's see, what else we got here? Alright, all this battery charging nonsense down here, I don't need that because I'm charging them with solar panels. We got coming in from the battery to a fuse, to a switch, into the solenoid, to the battery plus, to the relay switch. Alright, this is going pretty well so far, and everything looks like it's fitting. Alright, I need to connect from here to here. That's a little excessive. Alright, that mess of spaghetti should be all the 24 volt stuff when that's connected to the batteries and that's connected to the batteries. Now we need to do the 12 volt stuff, so the little wires that will activate the relay and the solenoid, which is basically another relay. Oh, and the variable resistor. Blah, 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 electronic, blah, 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 electricity, blah, blah, blah. In case you missed that, I melted this a little with a candle. Really nice breeze, and it's kind of cool out right now. It's one of those times when it's just like, I don't know, a surreal kind of thing. Alright, where was I? Oh right, I just put the key thing in. Alright. Oh, look at that, that's so great! What a mess. Well, I think there's at least like a 20% chance I got everything right in there. Okay, I got my wires connected to my batteries. And one of them is just kind of tucked in, barely touching. So if I yank on that one, it'll disconnect the power if anything is exploding or going on fire. Alright. Main power on. Oh, I heard a click. That's a good sign. Alright. Come on, do something. Do something. Oh, nothing! It's making some sound. It's just not making the motor go. Oh, that's I forgot this! I now give this a 22% chance of working. Right, okay. Ah, the light came on. Okay, that's a good sign. Come on, do something, do something. Oh yeah! Ah! Oh! Oh yeah! Man, I bet that could. Bet that could pull a house over. It's geared down so much. Ah! Oh! What is going on? Why is your bulldozer on its side? Get in there. I think that's in there pretty good. Let me turn the crank. Well, I was gonna try to get this thing outside today, but it's pouring rain out. So instead, I'm gonna work on the solar panel roof. The solar panel gonna go right up here. And I just measured the solar panel, and it's longer than the entire bulldozer by about, let's see, about that much. Caramba! Some serious weather out there. I can't say that was the easiest thing to drill through, but I think my drill bit is gonna last through a bunch of these. I hope. Alright, this guy's gonna go right in there. Oh, that came out nice. Man, I love that. This needs to swivel a little so I can raise up one end of the solar panel and not worry about it twisting it. Monkeysaurus! Like plonk, plonk, plonk. Oh yeah, that goes there. Oh yeah, that goes there. I got the front out. Oh, nice. Ooh, nice roof. That just came from my boat, which is way over there. Here, I've got 275 watts of Mega Blaster, also known as a solar panel. It runs through this here charge controller down these wires into 4 golf cart batteries in the back here. And those power a 1.5 horsepower motor that runs through a pile of gears and sprockets to independently power each one of these wheels to give them maximum traction.
Where are your muscles? Activate muscles?